Beautiful sunset weather for Monday. A few clouds, but otherwise very much on the dry side and should be staying that way for a moderate period of time. We'll get into the possibility of some more rain showers as new storm systems roll in from the west. Those will be giving us one potential of rain after the other. So high pressure for right now, keeping us very dry and quiet, but then numerous storm systems over the American West and out into the Pacific are going to roll our direction. And that means some changeable weather as we go into the next several days. So if you have any plans for outdoors, it will be chilly tonight and dry, lows back in the high 30s to around about the mid 50s over toward the plateau and parts of the river valley. We're seeing again the potential for some milder conditions out there when it comes to the temperatures, but we will see windy conditions on Tuesday, and we will also see the potential of more rainfall coming on through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Then a bit of a gap, and then on Thursday evening, that marks the start of more potential rainfall over the next several days. So if you have outdoor plans, definitely time to be weather aware and pay attention to what is going to be happening out there just to make certain everybody stays dry and safe. No severe weather, but definitely time to watch out for that. More on your forecast tonight on News 12. If you can't join us, go to our website, download our app, or go to our social media pages for more.